And here we are, high in the air, steep roof. And we're going to put vented foam closure on this so that the roof will vent through the closure instead of using these type of vents. So what I'm doing right now is we cut out this area so that it will vent, and then I'm going to put this house wrap up and nail it down so that until such time as we get the ridge cap on, then I'll cut out, when I get ready to put the ridge cap on, I'll cut it out and it will vent. Otherwise, I'll have to deal with the constant raining down in there and maybe doing damage, and I don't want that to happen. Even though there might be insulation in there, I don't want there to be damage on the ceiling of the drywall. So I'll show you what I've done after I get it done, because I can't hold this, do all the things I need to do and hammer it down. But so anyway, I'll show you in just a minute. Okay, so if you notice, I've got plastic nailed, or plastic washered nails holding down this Lowe's house wrap, which is really very fibered. It's really much stronger than the DuPont stuff in a lot of ways, and I use it actually for underpinning mobile homes because it's really strong, and that's why I like here too. But I wouldn't use it just. This is something that this good friend of mine had here, that she owns this house, and so she was like, well, we could use this instead of plastic. And I said, okay. So I just don't want it to rain in there while I'm putting metal up on this side and metal up on this side. I don't want it to rain in there. And then when we get metal on both sides, then I go to put the ridge cap and the foam on there. I want to be able to the foam first and then the ridge cap. I want to be able to cut that out and then vent, but not let rain in while I'm working on it. Maybe I'm not the smartest thing, but this is how I'm done. I'm sure I got a lot of view around here. See a long ways over that way. There's a gun range, so you might occasionally hear pow pow. Anyway, another adventurous day. Well, we're a little further along. Lots of blue on a peak road. As you can see, the peak has been covered all the way up, and then we went over that. She had in mind to have a 12-inch, well actually it's a 12-inch on each side ridge cap, and foam that every other one will be venting. So a little deep, a little deep, but we can do it.